Hello everyone. This is the sixth edition of Lakshmikant. I know it is not the latest edition. So what is the purpose of making this video, right? So we usually refer these books in proper hard copy format, right? So मेरे पास भी इसका proper जो latest edition है उसका hard copy available है. But the problem is whenever I used to travel, ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता था इस बुक को कैरी करना बिकॉज यू नो कितना हैवी बुक है. सो व्हाट आई डिड वाज कि आई सेड कि अगर कहीं से वीडियो मिल जाता है देन आई कैन ऑलवेज राइट स्टफ ऑन इट, आई कैन हाईलाइट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, आई कैन मेक सम निमोनिक्स ऑन द PDF itself and I can access that PDF from any of my devices so that I do not have to carry such a heavy book. So यही रीज़न था इस PDF को प्रिपेयर करने का. सो दिस वीडियो इज़ जस्ट अबाउट हाउ यू कैन हाईलाइट, you can highlight stuff on your Lakshmikant, right? So this is the Lakshmikant PDF. Now again अगर आप थोड़ा लेफ्ट बॉटम, अगर बॉटम लेफ्ट में आप देखते हो तो इट शोज़ दैट इट हैज़ अराउंड 1400 पेजेस. बट जो एक्चुअल लक्ष्मीकांत है उसमें इससे ज़्यादा पेजेस है, बट मोस्ट अराउंड 300-400 पेजेस आर टोटली इररेलेवेंट. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज आई हैव डिलीटेड most of the irrelevant pages, right? And I have done a lot of validation, right? So whenever I felt कि जैसे कि preamble यहाँ पे दिया नहीं है, इस बुक में preamble is not given, I think. So what I did, I added a preamble from the NCERT, right? So this is the advantage of making online notes. You can always add stuff that you feel is important. So for instance, in this case you can see that the Constitution of India, the preamble of the Constitution of India has been added, which was not included in this paper, in this book. तो ऑनलाइन का यही फ़ायदा होता है. देन आई हैव हाईलाइटेड इंपॉर्टेंट डेटा. फॉर इंस्टेंस ये है स्केड्यूल्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. सो वी नो देर आर अराउंड 12 schedules in the Constitution of India, and it has a very interesting mnemonic to remember these schedules. For instance, tiers of old PM, TEARS, tiers of old, old PM. So there are certain mnemonics which help you remember this. अगर ये आप फिजिकल कॉपी में लिखने लगोगे तो इट विल ऐड अ लॉट ऑफ, you'll have to add a lot of pages. वो बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होने लगता है. फॉर इंस्टेंस if I have to add something like let's say tiers of old etc. और ये मुझे लगा कि ये गलत है, मैं इसको चेंज करता, आई कैन ऑलवेज इरेज दिस, राइट? तो ये फ़ायदा है ऑनलाइन नोट्स का, और यही पर्पज़ है इस वीडियो को बनाने का कि आप किस तरह से थोड़ा हट के तरीके से इन चीज़ों को प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो, जिससे जो मेंटल बर्डन है वो आप मिनिमाइज़ कर सकते हो अपने ऊपर, राइट? सो दिस इज़ द एंटायर बुक. आई टेक यू थ्रू द एंटायर बुक. There would be a separate video which will talk about the crash course using this PDF. So I'll share that video in a few days. तो ये है, right? So for instance, articles of the Constitution, right? So there are some factual data that is very important for UPSC prelims. For instance, on 26 November 1949 the Constitution was adopted. However, on 26 January 1950 the Constitution was enacted, right? So there is a difference. So adoption and inaction, there is a difference. Similarly, Constitution of India originally contained 22 parts, but presently it has 22 parts including the subparts. Similarly, there are obviously articles in the Constitution, right? So originally it had 395 articles and today we have 470 articles as of April 2020. Why? Because this keeps on changing. They will the government would keep on adding new articles, right? The parliament will keep on amending the provisions of the Constitution. Similarly, again this is a mnemonic. You can fly directly from United States using paramilitary created special rockets. This trick is to understand, this trick helps us in understanding the different parts and remembering different parts of the Constitution, right? So तो ये फ़ायदा होता है ऑनलाइन नोट्स का. I'll share a detailed video on this in a few days. So I think that's it. Thank you so much.